Hey guys, and welcome back to the Earth and Bloom channel. My name's Reuben. We got Michelle coming out here in a minute, and we got a new split fire to show you. And what we're gonna do with the split fire is deal with this poplar tree here. We got a whole bunch going down the edge of this, our building here, the arena. We just gotta get these all out of here. So we'll cut them 2.5 to 3 feet high, then the excavator can rip them out easy. But we got a bit of a breeze, we'll blow her down this way, it won't do any damage. So we'll go get the split fire, bring it out here and show you what it's all about. Well, here it is. This is the split fire 4024. So 24 horse Honda. It's just a gravity feed disc chipper. So you got your blades down in here. So I think it's around the 4 to 5 inch range, I believe they classified it as. They don't make this style anymore. The new one is like a horizontal or a vertical drum or vertical feed, but we found this one used, and this is all I wanted, something light. This is around 750-ish pounds, 750, something light and something small just to tow around. If I need anything bigger, we'll just borrow my brother's. So this one has the chute is, oh, that was tight. So the chute swivels 360. I built this little container to contain most of it in the Ranger. So if you're going around and you're getting like little trees along the edge, you don't need to just blow them in the side. We could blow them here, put them in the wood chip pile, and we could just sell them. So no sense wasting them. So you got like a boat style fuel tank. We got half a tank, so it should work. Vent, open up your vent. Then it's just basic. So a centrifugal clutch on a belt drive. So twin belt, electric start, 24 horse Honda, can't go wrong. So we bought it, we had to replace the cooling fan in here, it was shattered. And we just adjusted the valves. These Hondas like their valve adjustments, and that's why a lot of these will blow up. People don't adjust the valves. We're just gonna blow this little tree over. I think it's around it should fit right through. It's like 4.5 inches, so that's like the max probably, but we'll see how it is. So with this style chipper, it works really good with straight stuff, so you don't want to put Y's through it really. You'll see me cut these Y's off and cut those off. You just send that through. You just have to kind of push her through. That's the nature of the beast. So we'll get it fired up, cut this tree down, and you'll see how it works. Hope we don't hit the building too hard. It's a little tree, it won't hurt it. Well, Michelle made it out, so we're gonna cut a few more down. I think we'll cut those 2 down. Then we gotta go for supper. So we lost a bunch of the good footage of the chipping part of it. So we got more pulled out. So we'll quickly run all this through for you. Hopefully get some good chipping footage. Well, there we have it. That's the Splitfire 4024. So easy, even Michelle can do it without ever running a wood chipper. Basically filled the bed of the Ranger just in 8 minutes of chipping. So yeah, you'll see us reaching into the bin here, and you got quite a ways to go down to the blades. So even up to my armpit I can't reach the blade, but you just don't want to go past these, and you won't ever, because there's no power feed, so it won't pull you in. And it's long enough, you can see my arm, I'm 6 foot something, my arms can't touch the blade, so it's pretty safe. Simple, no hydraulics on it. You'll see more of this in the future. Just a quick little go-to. Well, thanks for watching that short video on the Splitfire 4024 wood chipper.
Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out.
We'll see you on Friday for Firewood Fridays.